Prince Andrew, Sarah Ferguson photographed at Balmoral Castle amid lawsuit filed by accuser Virginia Giuffre. Welcome to Royal Expert. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any news about the British royal family. The Duke of York's mother, Queen Elizabeth II, is staying at the Scottish estate for the rest of the summer. Prince Andrew and his ex-wife Sarah Ferguson were photographed heading to Balmoral Castle on Tuesday, one day after Virginia Giuffre filed a lawsuit on Monday alleging sexual abuse by the royal. The photos, obtained by the MailOnline, showed Queen Elizabeth II's son driving a Range Rover to the Scottish estate where the monarch is residing for the rest of the summer. The Duchess of York sat in the back seat of the car. Andrew and Ferguson, both 61, were married from 1986 until 1996 and share two daughters, Princesses Beatrice and Eugenie. In July, Ferguson told People magazine she and her former spouse have remained close as co-parents. "Whatever challenges he has, I will stand firm to the co-parent as we are together," she told the outlet. "I believe he's a kind, good man, and he's been a fabulous father to the girls." On Monday, attorneys for Giuffre filed the lawsuit in Manhattan Federal Court, where Jeffrey Epstein was charged criminally with sex trafficking a month before he killed himself at age 66 in August 2019. At the time, the American financier was in an adjacent federal jail where he was ordered to await trial. Giuffre previously made waves when she went public with her accusations against the Duke of York, alleging the British royal abused her when she was under 18, including at Epstein's Manhattan home. The 38-year-old has repeatedly made her allegations against Epstein, his one-time girlfriend Ghislaine Maxwell, and Andrew, but the lawsuit was the first time she has directly confronted the Queen's son in such a formal setting. The case alleges that Andrew engaged in sexual acts without her consent, knowing how old she was and that she was a sex trafficking victim, the BBC reported on Tuesday. The case noted that the extreme and outrageous conduct continues to cause Giuffre significant emotional and psychological distress and harm. In this country, no person, whether president or prince, is above the law, and no person, no matter how powerless or vulnerable, can be deprived of the law's protection, the documents read, as quoted by the outlet. 20 years ago, Prince Andrew's wealth, power, position, and connections enabled him to abuse a frightened, vulnerable child with no one there to protect her, the documents continued. It is long past the time for him to be held to account. In a statement sent to Fox News, Giuffre said she wanted to hold Andrew accountable. "Today my attorney filed suit against Prince Andrew for sexual abuse under the Child Victims Act," wrote Giuffre. "As the suit lays out in detail, I was trafficked to him and sexually abused by him. I am holding Prince Andrew accountable for what he did to me," she shared. The powerful and rich are not exempt from being held responsible for their actions. I hope that other victims will see that it is possible not to live in silence and fear, but to reclaim one's life by speaking out and demanding justice. Thanks for watching till the end.